can feel it already. Hi, I just got this in the mail. I am gonna do a review of it later, but I have to actually try it before I do a review. The BONTANNY BOTIFILL series table stand red light therapy thing. And it's humongous. I thought it was gonna be like a little small like thing, and it is huge. Stop. It comes with these little goggles. If you were a teen in the 90s, you're quite familiar with these guys. Oh Lord, holy crap. This is the, holy God, this is the thing. It is humongous. I did a review of a LED mask not too long ago. This is basically LED mask technology, but it sits on your table. Look at this thing, it's a monster. Stop. Why am I low-key scared? Totally kidding. It's 1,000 degrees in front of this fire, dear God. It's heavy, it's metal. It's like pretty serious, and you can adjust the angle of it. I'm gonna look at the instructions before I turn it on and blind myself, since it did come with these safety goggles. Near-infrared light has a particularly strong ability to penetrate deeper into the tissues, organs, and joints, making it ideal for enhancing muscle recovery and reducing joint pain. And that is what I like to hear. Who else? And who else is just constantly in pain 100% of their lives because they've got some kind of weird chronic illness situation like I do? How can I see to do this if these glasses are blinding me? She's not wearing them. She's just on her computer living her best life. Do not sit or stand on the LED panel. Listen to all the things this thing can do. It can treat skin health and wrinkles, acne and wounds, joint and arthritis pain. It can help with weight loss. What? Can I just keep it on me all day? Muscle recovery, sleep and circadian rhythm, brain health and cognitive function, boosting testosterone. Well, I don't need that. And thyroid function. Those are pretty lofty. This is why I need the brain boosting thing. I'm like about to call the company and ask if I must wear the safety glasses. Okay, but the girl in the picture does not have the glasses on. Oh, shit. Okay, well. It's really bright. I'm blind. Oh my God. I can't. Oh, I can't. What do I do? I can't open my eyes to set the mode. Okay, so I figured out how it doesn't blind you. So you turn the power on, but then you can turn the power off, but it's still on. And you hit mode while the power is off to change between the modes. So there's the red and near infrared on together. There's just the red, which looks like this. Okay. There's just the near infrared, which looks like, oh, now it looks purple on the screen. It's red in real life. That's the near infrared. Or you can go both, which is like all of it, which is crazy. So I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing. I'll be back when I am not in pain anymore, skinny, and my thyroid works. I can feel it already. Bye.